Hey, John Sonmez from simpleprogrammer.com. So I got this question about working for free. I think you can probably already guess what I'm going to say about this, but anyway, this question goes, Hi John, I asked you a question via Twitter, but needed more explanation. What do you think of the following situation? I've been working on a software project for a couple of months. As the requirements grew, the database model is not as normalized as I would like to see it. I realized only during my vacation that if I refactored the database schema, adding more features in the future would be more easy. I feel it's my responsibility to keep the application tidy. It's probably 2 days work, but also has its risks of breaking some features along the way. My question is, should I resist the urge to refactor code of a customer outside work hours, i.e. unpaid, when I know something can be improved or simplified, or just go ahead? Would like to have your thoughts on it. Kind regards, Michael. So, no, don't do it. There's a couple reasons why not to do this. First of all, if you break this, which you said that there's a chance that you could break this, you're going to get in trouble, and you're not going to get paid for it, and it's going to look like incompetence instead of being perceived as a good thing. So don't touch that. Don't risk that. It just doesn't make sense to risk that and not get paid for it. It's bad enough when you break something when you get paid for it, but if you do it while you're paid for it, then that's just doing your job. If you do it while you're not being paid for it, you're gonna get you could likely get fired. Like you could get in big trouble for doing that, because they'll say, well, why did you mess with this thing? You didn't even need to mess with this. So yes, don't do that. And second of all, you don't do things that you're not getting paid for your job. I mean, you're working for someone else. They're paying you to do a job. Don't take your vacation days. And I mean, I understand that probably you enjoy refactoring code, and it's probably exciting to you. That you wouldn't be emailing me this if you didn't feel like you wanted to do this because you think it'll actually be fun in some sick, sadistic way. It's okay. I understand. I've felt the same way before, but you have to resist this urge, because if you start doing a lot of things that you're not getting paid for, you're gonna be effectively lowering your earning potential. You're gonna be effectively lowering your hourly rate, and then you're gonna be setting a precedent in the future. And like I said, if things go well, you're probably not gonna get like huge accolades. But if things go bad and things don't work out, you're going to be in big trouble. And also, what would happen in this situation if you modify this code, you think it's going to take 2 days worth of work during your vacation, and you screw it up to the point where it's got to be fixed, and then now you end up spending the next 5 days of your vacation fixing this work because you messed it up, and now you're definitely obligated. Then you have to do it, right? If you touch this thing, so don't touch it. And take your vacation. You're going to feel better taking a vacation anyway and not touching this kind of stuff. I know this is the kettle calling the pot black, or I don't know how to say these expressions, so it's something like that. You know what I'm saying. But anyway, I have a problem doing this, right? I go on vacation or something, and I mean, even when I was traveling Europe, I'm like checking my email and responding to people and just like waiting to get back to my desk so I can do some work. But it's better if you don't. You do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so don't do it. Have a and consider your wife is going to be much happier because you're not on your computer doing this. It's going to be better overall. I should take my own advice. I realize this, but anyway, if I can't take my advice, at least you can take it. So I hope you have a good vacation, and that you don't screw it up. All right, take care. And if you like this video, if you'd like me to tell you not to work on your vacation, email me at john@simpleprogrammer.com, and then subscribe to the channel. Take care.